If you ever feel stuck trying to come up with new content ideas, Answer the Public can make the process a lot easier. It shows you what real people are searching for online, so you can turn those searches into content. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate content ideas with Answer the Public step by step. First, open Answer the Public and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're ready to start discovering content ideas based on real search data. Next, type a broad topic related to your niche. This could be your industry, product, or general subject area. The broader the keyword, the more content ideas you'll uncover. Click Search and wait for the results to load. Answer the Public organizes search queries into categories like questions, comparisons, prepositions, and related searches, making it easy to find content inspiration. One of the richest sources of content ideas is the questions section. Here you'll find real questions starting with how, what, why, when, where, and which. Each one can become a blog post, video, or social media post. As you browse the results, start thinking about how each keyword can become content. A simple question can become a tutorial, a comparison can become a review, and a problem-based query can become a solution guide. Next, explore comparisons and related searches. These sections help you expand your ideas and find additional angles for your content strategy. Now start collecting your best ideas in a list or spreadsheet. Organizing them makes it easier to plan future content and stay consistent. Try grouping similar ideas into content clusters. This helps you build stronger topic authority and creates a more structured content strategy. Now take your content ideas and turn them into a publishing plan. Decide what to create first based on relevance, demand, and ease of execution. And that's how to generate content ideas with Answer the Public. Yeah, once you start using real search data, coming up with ideas becomes much easier and more consistent. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your content creation.